Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a screwdriver drink. Now I know it's been a while since I made a drinking video. I do on call at my job, so for a whole week I won't be making any drink because I'm being on call, but I'll be off call for 2 weeks, so 2 weeks of making drinks. And here we guys go. This drink, what you want to do is you want to get some ice. And get some ice. You want to pour about 1.5 ounces of vodka into this. Okay. You want to pour about 4 ounces of orange juice. Okay, guys? And if you want to, for some people, you can also put a straw in there for some people. But you can make this drink however strong you want it. You want to make it. All that depends if you want. The more orange juice you put in here, the less of the vodka taste you're going to get. And of course, the more of the vodka you put in here, the more stronger it's going to get. But this is the way of making a true screwdriver. But there you guys go. Screwdriver. Always, guys, drink responsibly. Please leave comments and subscribe. And this is Lance Magic 1 signing out.